What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Sick Eric Tech. We like to keep tech simple, and Pitaka sent me out some accessories for the Google Pixel 10 and 10 Pro. They sent me out the ultra slim case, and they also sent me out the magnetic woven wallet. So thank you, Pitaka, for sending these out. Definitely love their cases. And here we go for the packaging. Light and slim weight, only weighs about 18.5 grams, and thickness is only 1 millimeter. Magsafe capable or compatible, so that's fantastic. And of course, you know, all Pitaka cases are woven from aramid fiber, aerospace grade material. And here we go on the back. So this is going to be the black and gray aramid fiber, and you get high dimensional stability, temperature cycling, scratch resistance, so that's fantastic. Discoloration resistance, stain resistance, long lifetime UV exposure reliability test as well. So these are very nice cases. So let's go ahead and check this one out. Definitely love the packaging. Going on over to the inside, you get some nice information. Get ready, the game is about to begin. Scan here. You could scan the actual case if you want to. You also do get some removal instructions to hold the corners, pretty much that. And you also get some QR codes at the bottom. Carry lighter, live now. So here we go for the case itself. Love Pitaka and their cases. They definitely do a really nice job. Of course, right here you do get that Mag Easy Case 6 branding. You get designed by Pitaka, black and gray, and of course you can see it is Magsafe compatible. I do love that the camera ring is black now. I believe last year it was a silver color, and this is really nice that it is black. It's going to go really well with the Obsidian Pixel 10. And go ahead and snap it in there. Nice snug fit. You get some nice Pitaka branding down here at the bottom, and look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous. So the ring does go over the actual camera bump. Hopefully that does not end up scratching it over time. I would have preferred a little bit of a gap, but it does go right over it. Your buttons are going to be cut out per usual. You get your microphone cut out up there, and then down here at the bottom you get your speaker cutouts and your USB Type-C. As far as the screen, you do get little nubs going on the corners. I would like to see a little bit more protection, because in some spots my screen protector is popping out of the case right here. As you can see right there, I would prefer the case to go past my screen protector. So not much in the screen protection area when it comes down to the Pitaka case. So if you want to have it face down, your screen will be touching the actual surface, so that is kind of a disappointment right there. So let's go ahead and check out the wallet. So we got the magnetic woven wallet as well, and let's go ahead and check this out. So never used one of these. So here we go, magnetic woven wallet. You do get a nice little booklet with some information in there as well. And ooh, this thing actually looks pretty cool. So it is going to be out of that woven aramid material, and then you also do get a sort of like a faux leather on the inside right here. And then you could go ahead and get your cards out. So it does come with one. You get Pitaka branding right there, and then you can actually have this on the back of your device. It's going to pretty much lock itself on there. That is pretty tight when it comes down to that. It's not going to move around either. You could fit some credit cards in here. I believe one card in there, and then maybe another, which is gonna be a tight fit. So maybe just one card you could fit in there. Two of them might be a little bit of a tight fit. Now I can't get it out. That's just fantastic. There we go. So yeah, two of them might be a tight fit. You could fit one credit card in there and have it on your device. So yeah, it looks fantastic. Matches the device pretty darn well. So yeah, thank you, Pitaka, for sending these out for me to check out. Links will be posted down below if you guys want to go check out these cases. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time. Peace.